This is Chevy.
Chevy!
I'm stuck in a box, dude.
He's like, fuck this sucks.
You're alright.
Mom, pinch
Take it off his head. No.
Stuck, hold on. Look at him, leave it on it like
For all you to know, he did this to himself.
I know, I've watched him. Is he shaking? Oh, buddy. I see you. I see you. Uno. Fucking dummy.
You're alright.
Dumb. He's scared, dude.
He's like, what the fuck was my head stuck in?
Watch him.
Yeah.
Here, Chevy.
Look,
Come
Chevy.
here.
Put it back on. He says, hell no.
Bitch.
You alright, Chevy?